Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks software, easy method. Open your company file, connect your bank accounts, set up customers and vendors, and categorize transactions for accurate books. Reconcile bank statements weekly, create invoices, receive payments, and run profit and loss to monitor cash flow. Use bank rules to automate categorization and review reports monthly to catch errors early. Back up your company file regularly and use accountant access for complex fixes. Start with a clear chart of accounts aligned to your business, then customize invoices, sales receipts, and payment terms to match your workflow. Enable automatic sales tax tracking if required, and set up payroll or contractors with Form 1099 settings. Regularly reconcile merchant accounts, review accounts receivable aging, and set payment reminders to improve cash flow. Consider monthly review meetings to adjust budgets and projections. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy method tutorials. Also, if you want a small perk for your car, try the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener I have here. It smells great on long drives. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Sharing a like helps others find this quick tutorial. Match imported bank transactions to recorded entries daily or weekly to keep reconciliations simple and error-free. Use bank rules and bulk categorization to speed up the workflow, and tag transactions with classes or locations for precise reporting. Run profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statements regularly to track performance, and export reports for your accountant before tax deadlines to save time and avoid surprises. Automate recurring transactions to reduce manual work and maintain consistent records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.